We went to New York thinking we'll go see a show, and we brought our friends Karen and Alberto. And we're urban trekkers, so, not everyone can walk as much as we do, but let's see how they do. So we started off our morning, which was a trek to Williamsburg for the Smorgasburg Food Festival. We had to fortify ourselves at Essa-Bagel, which we did. Long line. Advice is order ahead of time, but Essa-Bagel, what a great spot. So on the Brooklyn Bridge, huge crowds on Saturday, but you got to go with the flow. Long walk across through the crowd, capturing the scenic photos in the background. All the tourists happily gathered at the top. And this is, of course, the prototypical scene for collecting your memories. You see the Skyway in the background. But once you get across the bridge, it's one of those little hidden secrets, one of those things we love about New York. You come across, and you walk around, and every day you notice something a little bit different. Here we came down this little walkway, found this whirlpool statue that really sort of channeled the East River's turbulence. Took the ferry up to Smorgasburg. And Smorgasburg, if you haven't done this, it's all different kinds of food. So unlike a lot of street festivals where you see a lot of the same stuff, you've got all kinds of different vendors. No two are alike. So whether it's smoked meat or ethnic foods, you'll find a whole variety here. I went for the duck, the smoked duck, the duck fat, the duck breast. Just don't get that too much, but you could also get smoked eggs and smoked meats, and there's a great little record importing and exchange. We've actually got labels offering their LPs, printed LPs. So in New York City, as we returned back to head down to Nolita, our travels were intersected by this fantastic street festival, and we enjoyed our stroll through the city, always finding, like this one, the Elizabeth Gardens, fun little things to sort of stop and explore on our way. At the end of the day, we rested our feet, had some cocktails at the Spotted Pig in West Village. So another fantastic day, 14 miles altogether, and we ended up